How to add powerful blur effects in KineMaster on your phone. Whether you are trying to blur a background or just add that cinematic focus, this is the guide you have been waiting for. Let's dive right in. On the right hand side, you will see the layer option. Tap on it. From here, tap on effects. Here you can see basic and basic effects. In both effects, you will find the blur effect. Let me tap on basic effects first. Here you will find the Gaussian blur. Tap on it. Choose whichever you want. You can also tap on basic. From here you can choose this type of blur. Let me just choose from basic effects and Gaussian blur. Adjust it by dragging its edges like this. You can adjust it from here as well, like this. Adjust it by dragging its edges like this. Now once you have adjusted it, preview the video. Let me preview it. Once satisfied, tap on export right here. And that's it. This is how you can add the blur effect in KineMaster. If this helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe and ring the notification bell for more editing tips. Thank you for watching.